Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Ever had your screen look too dark or your speakers way too loud? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to adjust the brightness and volume on your Windows 11 PC, even if you're brand new to it. Let's dive right in. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click the small area that shows the battery, volume, or Wi-Fi icons. It opens something called Quick Settings. You'll see a slider with a sun icon. Slide it left to dim the screen, right to brighten it. Easy. Here's a quick note on that. If you're on a desktop computer with a monitor like I am, you might need to use buttons on the monitor itself to adjust brightness. Right below the brightness slider, or again, if you don't have the brightness slider, you'll see one for volume. Just drag it left or right to lower or raise the sound. Click the speaker icon to mute or unmute quickly. Many laptops have brightness and volume keys. Look for sun or speaker icons on your F1 through F12 keys. For more control, you can go to Settings, System Display, or System Sound. That's it. Now you know how to make your screen and sound just right. In the next video, I'll show you how to take screenshots like a pro in Windows 11. If this helped, click like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.